Alright guys, back again, and I just fixed the link just a few minutes seconds ago. Now you can see the barrel is all the way out. I forgot to mention that this barrel is smoothbore, no rifling. And this is going to be the parts for the frame. So when I start on the frame, I'm going to make one out of hardened paper and one out of some just like cereal boxes. But this is essentially maybe the full disassembly video of this. So I don't know yet, but it is going to be the disassembly video. And what's that? There's just a retainer for this, which this probably won't come off. I don't know how I even got it on. Actually, yeah, there it is. That's all. The spring guide is all taken off different places. Now, as I move some stuff to make this view larger, wider, you'll see the assembly of the barrel. No shells. Smooth bore, like I mentioned. You can even see that. No rifling whatsoever. Straight up smooth bore. And to get that out, take something to drive this pin out. And once that's out, which is in actually pretty tight, and the barrel is taken down into its pieces, just like that. Move everything closer, just because. And then now for the slide. The slide is pretty much just hollow. The only thing we gotta do is take that out, the back. And then it's disassembly for everything that I've got done that will come out right now. So give me like 2 quick seconds because I'm in the other room, AirPod in my ear. I'm so unprofessional. Grabbing something to actually be able to pull this out. This is the retainer, which keeps this and that on there in the frying pan with a spring. So that goes, it's basically like 3 pieces. And 3 pieces plus a spring. And then later on, you will not be able to get a little tube, a little blue pin tube out. But for now, it slides out. You can see the hollow, rough slide. Sorry I couldn't make the sights come off, but I did what I can. And what I also didn't mention is mine won't have an ejector right here. Most likely won't. I will probably take this little piece and cut out away at this and make a piece that pinned in place with a spring pushing and clamping onto the back of the shell there. But yep, that's just the hollowed out, disassembled 1911, right? Well, as many pieces I got right there, disassembled. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope y'all have a good time.